Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well and are keeping safe. So if you're new to the video, hi, my name is Ishita and I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and all of that. So you might want to just subscribe me and join my community. I'll really appreciate that. So today's video is going to be about a jeans haul. Now the haul will be more like a guide so that you understand as to what kind of jeans you should buy, and these are staple jeans that you should have in your wardrobe. I'll be telling you from where you can buy good quality, affordable jeans so that you do not burn a hole in your pocket, because I know jeans are very expensive and यार उतने पैसे 4-5 हज़ार रुपए के jeans मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए. I would with 1,000 or 2,000 jeans. Now I have 5 jeans and all these jeans are something that you can wear with multiple outfits, crop tops, t-shirts, anything and everything. You can wear these jeans with everything and these are not very expensive. So all my jeans are under rupees 2,000 after discount or whatever you might want to call it. So I'll just take you through the pair of jeans and also giving you some insight. The first jeans that I'll be talking about is skinny pair of jeans. Now I love high-waisted jeans, so all the jeans that I'll be showing you is high-waisted because it just gives your body a very good structure. And if you are someone who wears low-waist jeans and haven't really worn a high-waist pair of jeans, please do that, because high waist will look amazing. You will start loving your body even more because it just gives a very beautiful structure to your body. And we know every human being have a lot of fat here and there, and it just gives a very good structure. So it just makes you feel good about yourself. So yeah, that's there. However, the pair of jeans that I'll be talking about is this one. This is a skinny pair of jeans. So earlier I used to buy jeans from a local store here, and these jeans are okay-ish. Like, they are not bad, they're good fit. The fit is really nice. However, they do not last me for long. So these jeans are priced at like 900 rupees, and these do not last for really long. I've been wearing high-waisted jeans from them for quite some time now. However, the quality is really good, but it does not last me for long. So this is one, and also some colors in blue. Different shades of blue really works. I do not recommend buying these ones. However, I do recommend buying a skinny pair of jeans because that really looks good. You can get it from Zara, Levi's or H&M at discounted price always. So you can buy it from there as well. Now, a very new addition in my collection is this one. This is a wide leg pair of jeans and I love the jeans. This is very new. So I've recently got this from Levi's and I love it. They were giving it at 50% off. So I got this for 2,000 rupees. The original MRP is 3899. So I got this for 2,000 rupees and it's amazing. The size for this one is 27. I am pear shape body type, so my thighs are a little thicker than my body. So this looks so good. I mean, this looks so good. This is like a very long length. I'm not this tall, but it just looks amazing and I love this jeans. This is so pretty. You should have a pair of jeans like this in colors of black, blue and all of that. I have just bought a blue one recently. I will definitely get a black one also very soon. So this is something that you should wear. Please go and try it out. Don't order it online because you never know which one fits you and which one doesn't, because I'm a usual 28 and Levi's maybe मुझे 28 ही फिट आता था, but this one is 27 and it works very good for me. And yeah, this does work really well. This looks so good. I cannot stretch on the fact that it looks so good. So you need to try this out. Get these at Zara, H&M, Levi's. The Zara I have seen it in the range of 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. Same goes for H&M, and you can definitely buy yourself these pair of jeans. It looks amazing. You will really like it if you start wearing it. Another pair of jeans is also wide leg. This is not that long. This one is in the size 28 and it's also wide leg, as you can see. It's also wide leg, but this is a little tighter on the thighs and very flared on the bottom part. It looks really good. It's some, I do not know what exactly style can I call it as, but it's really nice. It's quite similar to the other one, but not exactly similar. It also has some detailing it has some detailing here. So you can of course buy this one as well. This is from Zara and I got this for 1,500 rupees, I think. And yeah, it's amazing. I think you should buy a wide leg pair of denims for sure. Now the next one is a boyfriend jeans. Now this is a boyfriend jeans from H&M and it also has some ripped and it's like this. The color is a little shaded and it also looks really good. So boyfriend jeans gives you a very baggy and a very, very street style kind of a vibe, and it looks really good as well. However, boyfriend jeans you can or you may avoid if you want to, but it's something that you can have. And you know, it again, I got this for 1200 bucks from H&M, and I think it's great. I always look for sales, and if you want to know when the sales arise, you can definitely contact me. Every time when the sale comes, I will give you a heads up, because I love these clothes so much. I love Zara and H&M so much that I keep a track of their sales. There are times when I don't buy things on sale, but a lot of things are bought on sale. I know that they clear their stock and whatever, but I kind of like it, and so I buy it. So this is another pair of jeans. These are like a little, not a little, these are too baggy. Okay, these are too baggy. These are not, these are very baggy, and I got this from a local store again, and I kind of love this. It's very baggy, but it looks really good with some t-shirts. These jeans are generally worn when I go out or something, just, you know, casual kind of a vibe. So these give me casual vibe, and I love these jeans so much. I really like the quality of H&M and Zara jeans, and during discounts you can definitely get it at a cheaper price. There might be times when you do not get your sale or something, you do not get your size or something, then you can of course go to sites like Myntra and Ajio. You will find some really good pieces there. However, not all the jeans are of good quality, so you want something that lasts you for long. I have been wearing the Zara jeans for quite some time now, and it has not budged out even a little. It still looks very nice, and I really love it. Also, Levi's jeans is very nice in quality. I have been wearing Levi's jeans for quite some time, and I really like them. Also, for bottom wear part, if you talk about bottom wear, you also should invest in pants. Again, Zara has amazing collection of pants. It gives such a good structure to your body. I really love their pants. So, you know, in different colors, black, blue. I also have a green colored pant, which looks amazing on. So these are the few jeans that I really like, and I would highly suggest you to buy one for yourself. Do not think anything that यार ये मुझ पे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, ये नहीं लगेगा, but आप पहन सकते हो for sure. आप जरूर पहनो. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to leave a comment down below. Also like the video, it'll make me really happy. And with that being said, I take your leave. Thank you so much for sticking by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Have a great day.
Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in.